In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute and mute participants and remove people in Google Meet. Managing a virtual meeting effectively requires a few key controls, and knowing how to handle participant audio and participation is fundamental. Whether you're a teacher handling a class or a team leader conducting an important discussion, mastering these controls can really enhance your Google Meet experience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. This is where the magic starts, since it is integrated seamlessly with Google Meet. Once you're in Google Calendar, locate and click on Join with Google Meet. This will take you directly into your scheduled meeting. After entering the meeting, you'll see an option to Join Now. Go ahead and click that to officially enter the meeting room for hosting. When you're pressed for time and need everyone onboarded quickly, click on View, and from there, the Admit All button will appear. This handy feature allows you to admit all the participants who are currently waiting to join. It's a huge time saver, especially when you have a large group. After the participants are in, it's time to take control by clicking on Host Controls. This brings up a range of options to manage your meeting effectively, with host management being a key option here. Make sure it's enabled. This lets you have greater control over who can do what during your meeting. Next, the People icon is your go-to for managing participants. Clicking it will reveal the attendees list. For times when things get a bit noisy, you have the option to mute all. This is crucial for maintaining order during the call, especially in larger meetings. Yet, remember, participants will have to unmute themselves manually, as hosts can't unmute others due to privacy settings. If you need to address specific participants, or if someone's disrupting the meeting, click on More Options next to the attendee's name. From there, you can remove disruptive participants by selecting Remove from the Call. Unpleasant situations may require further action, and you'll have the options to fill out an abuse report or block them from future calls. If you're certain about removing someone, proceed by clicking Remove, ensuring that the meeting can continue in an orderly fashion. Utilizing these options effectively helps in managing the call dynamics and keeping things professional. And there you have it. These straightforward steps will help you control your meeting room in Google Meet efficiently. With these tools, you're now better equipped to handle your virtual meetings smoothly and confidently. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.